our given part in this sum is that the shape of the figure is cone, in which the radius is given to be 24 and height is given to be 10 meter. Okay, now what you are doing with this cone? What is it made up of? It is made up of canvas. Okay, so if you are making a cone of the canvas, then how much canvas is required? Okay, so first step, what you have to do it, what to find over here. Now cone is always made on build up on
Length.
floor or something.
Slant height.
Yes,
Length.
Slant height.
slant height, that is okay, that we will find it. But what else? We want to find cost of
TSA.
canvas. So canvas, something related to canvas.
TSA.
TSA,
TSA.
we have to find CSA.
TSA.
Okay, why? The tent is always built up on something base. Okay, so that is not made up of canvas, so we have to find CSA. Okay, so first we go for slant height. What is formula for slant height, Pia? Formula for slant height on your mic.
Ma'am.
Huh? Speak. Pia, give the answer. Clearly you give the answer. Slant height.
Ma'am, I was absent, so I.
Yeah, you are absent.
Ma'am,
That
I
is
was
what.
absent,
That
so
is
I
the
cannot.
purpose I asked you. Okay, so slant height we move as L square is equal to H square plus R square. Now put the values and give me the answer. Come on, all of you. Calculate by yourself on your video. All of you on your video. So I have started getting answers. Dhruv, Sanyog, I don't have to tell you again and again for videos. On your video. Yes. Vinith, why you are in your this uniform? Where is your uniform? Rushi? Yes, it is. Sorry. It's a uniform. Akash, Riddhi. Okay, so your answer is 26. Okay. Now moving, all of you got it? Now we move ahead. Cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is 70 rupees 70. So we have to find your CSA. So CSA, curved surface area of tent, is equal to pi RL. Put the values, come on. Everything you put and give me the answer. Start. Come on, do it. Who is the first one to give the answer? Am I audible to everybody? मेरा आवाज आ रहा है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Himangi, check your network. Network problem might be there with you. Okay, give me the answer. 1961.4. Akash is the first one to give me the answer. Very good. Let us check the answer. It is 1372. If you divide, you will get that. Now, cost find the cost. 1 meter square canvas cost rupees 70. Okay, so is equal to rupees 137280. विनीत लिख रहे हो बेटा आप? Start writing. You are not writing, I think so. Okay. Completed? We move ahead. Okay. We move to the next question. Mark it important. This is important sum. Janvi, read the question. Janvi,
What length of
on your
tadpole
video
is
first
3
of all.
meter wide?
On your video. Okay, fast.
What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and basic radius 3 meter? Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeters.
Okay. So now we pick up the important words over here. Okay. So now if we see the important words, we can say that a tarpaulin is given to you. Okay. A tarpaulin is given to you. Here a tarpaulin. Now of this tarpaulin, we are making a cone. A tarpaulin is a type of material that is used to make cone. Okay, so this is rectangular in shape. This is tarpaulin shape whose width is given to be 3 meters. So you can see the width of this. Okay, and now we want to make cone out of it. Okay, we are making a cone of this material tarpaulin. So now we have to find what length of material you require to make this cone. Some extra material, what length we are using it, 20 centimeter we are using for stitching purpose. We have done one sum of this type previously. Okay, now so a tarpaulin is having length x and width 3 meters, and from that tarpaulin we are making a cone whose height is 8 centimeter and radius is 6 centimeter. So first thing, height and radius is given to you. Okay, so we have to go for slant height. Okay, find the slant height. Come on, all of you. Find slant height.
answer is 10.
Yes, got the answer. Slant height. Who is the first one to give me the answer?
Sushant.
Akash, Shushant, Anish, Sanyog, all give me the correct answer. Okay, fine. So now I'm getting slant height as 10 meter. Okay. Now, next step. What to find now? We want to find the length of this tarpaulin. For that, what we have to find a cone. राशि कोन का हम क्या फाइंड करेंगे? बेस को हम टारपोलिन से कवर कर रहे हैं कि ओनली द सरफेस पार्ट? So what to find of tarpaulin? Come on.
CSA.
CSA. Okay. So we go for CSA.
CSA.
Okay. So come on. What is formula for CSA? Siddhi?
IRL.
Formula for CSA?
L plus R.
Okay. So now
Pi R L plus R.
pi r. Now only pi r. We want to find CSA beta, not TSA. Okay. So its formula is pi r l. Now we are using this tarpaulin to make this cone. So we can say that area of tarpaulin is equal to CSA of tarpaulin. Cone. Cone is made from this tarpaulin. So total area will be same. So we write it as area of tarpaulin material is equal to curved surface area of 10. Now this is rectangular, so its area is length into breadth. And this is pi r l. CSA is pi r l. And now we compare it and we put the values. Now what is length of the tarpaulin? We don't know. We have taken it as L. What is breadth of the tarpaulin? 3. Okay. What is R of cone? 6. And slant height is 10. Okay. So we put the values in this. Come on, give me the answer. Let's see who has given me the answer. Okay, Patel, Sai का आंसर आ गया, Vani का आंसर आ गया. Let me see more hands, more answers in the chat box. I want more answers in the chat box. More students. So answer is 62.8. Okay? 62.8. Fine? It is not exact 63 but 62.8. Okay? Now, what is given? Now we want to find total length of tarpaulin. Okay. So length calculated plus margin. That is 62.8 meter plus 20 centimeter. Okay. Which is equal to 62.8 meter, 0.2 meter. Now you cannot add meter and centimeter together. So this centimeter has to be converted to meter. That is, we write it as 20 divided by 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So you will get 0.2 meter. This is equal to 0.2. And now the final answer. Length of the tarpaulin is equal to
63 meter.
63 meter. Okay. Fine. Have you all written? Completed? We move ahead. पलक नहीं आए? पिया, where is पलक?
Ma'am, she is there.
Janvi, where we have divided by 20? Where have we divided by 20? I don't understand. Where is it? This is plus 20. Got it? Next question. Question number 8. Riddhi, read the question
Yes, ma'am.
on your mic.
A bus stop A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeter and height 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones?
Okay. And here you are given into bracket value of square root. Square root 1.04 is equal to 1.02. That we have to use it. And pi is given to be 3.14. So whenever you are given value of pi as 3.14, you have to take it as 3.14. Otherwise, we always put it as 22 upon 7. So now here what we are doing? Some part of the bus stop is barricaded by the cones. You might have seen cones whenever construction or something is going on, they put cones over there. Okay, plastic cones, correct? So here also they are using plastic cones. How many plastic cones they are using? 50. Okay, and each cone has a base diameter 40 centimeter and height of 1 meter. Now this, what we are doing it, outer side of each of the cones is to be painted and cost of painting is 12 per meter square and we have to find the total cost. Okay. So now here we are given cone. Height is given to be 1 meter and the radius is 40 centimeter. So units are different. One is in centimeter and another one is in meter. Cost is given per meter square. So what we have to do? We prefer converting centimeter to meter. Okay. So now find the first of all we take the parts. Radius, what is it? Now here height is 1 meter, radius is equal to 40 upon 2, 20 centimeter. We divide it by 100 and we are getting 0.2 meter. Now color work is done on surface, not on bottom part. Okay, that is placed on the ground, on the road, and therefore we don't color it. So we have to find CSA or TSA. What to find? Hetvi? CSA or TSA? On your mind. CSA. Okay. I'm doing your lip reading.
CSA.
Now, curved surface area of the cone that is to be painted. तो पहले आप क्या फाइंड करोगे? Slant height. Find the slant height. Come on. Give me the answer of slant height. me see who is the first one to give me the answer. Janvi, when you convert centimeter to meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and therefore to convert 20 centimeter we are dividing it by 100. Got it? Okay, Sai gave me the answer 1.02. Let us check. See now 0.2 whole square is 0.04. Square रह गया साई आपका, correct? So now L is equal to under root 1.04. Now under root 04 का आंसर आपको ब्रैकेट में दिया है. It is already given to you and slant height is 1.02. Fine. And now we go for curved surface area pi r L, that is, see if you have anything you can on your mic and you can answer me whatever you want to ask. I can't go again and again to chat box. Okay, so you can answer me directly, you can give me the answer or you can ask me anything. See, calculation is little bit lengthier. It is in decimal. Multiply and give me answer. Now, surface area of one cone is 0.64056. So, how many cones are given to you? 50. So, whatever you are having it, you multiply it by 50. So, final answer will be 32.028 meters square. Okay. And now you have to find cost. Cost of painting 1 meter square is ₹12. तो हमारा इतना मीटर स्क्वायर आया कितना? Multiply. And this is your final answer. So in this way our chapter got over. This exercise got over. Done? Okay. So now I move to the homework part. This is one extra sum what I have taken it. First you take your homework part.